Take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts an engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR 9,900 pounds, 4,490 kilograms, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, cruise control, electronic, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timing SFI, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. License plate front mounting package in the pickup box, delete. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.